Good. Look at it, guys. Oh my God. It is so pretty. Wow. Can go on any Christmas table. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Whatever time of the day it is, wherever you are, I hope you're having a wonderful time. Always remember to give God thanks for the gift of life. Guys, welcome back to Elaine's Kitchen. On today's menu, we are going to do some breadfruit salad. There are many ways in which we can incorporate breadfruit in our diet. So today we are going to do some breadfruit salad. You know, sometimes you're tired of the potato salad and the yam salad. Yes, and this is a salad what I've been doing over the years, and I get to love it so much. So I'm going to share it with you today. So here are my ingredients. Here I have some green peas. I have some sweet corn right here. I have my mayo. I have some black pepper. I have some parsley flakes right here. I have my onion powder. I have my salt. I have my breadfruit. This is the main thing for the dish, the breadfruit. Here I have sweet pepper, red and green sweet pepper. I have carrot here. I have a onion. I have 2 eggs, and I have my scallion right here. Okay guys, so let's get right into it. So this is the breadfruit. Guys, I'm just demonstrating right now as how to do this because I've already cooked some at a time. So I'm peeling my breadfruit right now. And guys, ensure that you peel and you don't leave any green skin on it. So we're going to take out the core. See how deep I cut it? So I'm going to wash it now. My carrot I've already scraped. I like to boil my carrot. You can use the one in the mixed veg one. You can use that one if you so desire. So I'm just going to show you how I cut, demonstrate how I cut the carrot bite size. Bite size, guys, bite size. Might be sometimes you're not going to get it equal. Oh, that's cut already. Pot is boiling. I'm going to put them in some boiling water, and then I add some cold water while they are boiling. So now I'm going to I'm going to put my breadfruit in the pot now. The pot is boiling up. I'm going to now add a teaspoon of salt right there. These are the breadfruit and the carrot, guys. I just cut these to demonstrate, to show you how I cut them. So now we are going to add our diced breadfruit and our carrots to the pot. Guys, this is it. I'm just doing this for demonstration. This is the breadfruit, so I had the salt, and I'm going to cover it now for it to boil. I'm not going to put the eggs in there because I've already have the eggs here. As I said, I do these ahead of time because when you're doing this salad, you have to ensure that the things are properly cool, because if they don't cool, if they are not cool enough, then when you add the mayonnaise, then you'll have it will be very oily. So when they are properly cooled, the mayonnaise, it will be able to take on the mayonnaise. This is a bone. This is what you're going to use to bone the salad, to bind it together, the mayonnaise. Okay, I already have some dice. This is the green sweet pepper. I've already diced it. So I'm now going to dice the red one and show you, just demonstrate to show you how I dice. So now guys, I'm going to dice my, okay, I see it, my sweet pepper. I like to use the carrot instead of the one from the tin. Guys, you can use whatever you choose. So here is how I dice my sweet pepper. I have some onion over there I've already diced. I have some scallion I've already diced. I like to put scallion in my salad. Guys, you can put whatever you choose to put in your salad. So here is the sweet pepper, and I cook my carrot along with the breadfruit. So guys, these are the diced sweet pepper. So guys, as I was saying, you can incorporate breadfruit in order that you can make breadfruit punch, you can make breadfruit cake. Breadfruit is so versatile, it can use in many different ways. And I think they said it, omega-3, yes, and I think calcium and potassium, that's what we get from breadfruit. So guys, I'm just going to show you here what is happening here. I'm going to pour some water so that the breadfruit can sink. Guys, you see it? I hope it's not foggy. They are taking their time. They are sinking down there. They are sinking in the bottom of the pot. See? They are sinking slowly but surely. It's the one that I've done ahead of time because it has to be properly cooled. Have to be properly cooled. And here is the diced onion, and here I have my scallion right here. The breadfruit is finished cooking. So when you want to know, you just put your fork through it and see how tender it is. It all depends. Yes, see it? My breadfruit is on the fitter side. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's finished cooking. So this is very hot, so I can't use this. I have to use that one over there, what I have already cooked ahead of time. So let's put this salad together, guys. Let's put this salad together. Here is the breadfruit. So we are going to add our ingredients. It doesn't matter what you want to put first. Anything can go in there first, because everything is, so I'm adding my sweet pepper. I'm adding my onion. I'm adding some corn. I'm adding some corn. I'm adding my eggs. I'm adding my chopped onion. I'm adding my green peas. And I'm now adding my sweet pepper. And guys, always remember to taste for salt, taste for flavor. As you go along, you just taste. I'm going to add some parsley flakes here. Now guys, I'm going to use my mayonnaise. This is the mayonnaise. I'm going to now add it, and these are all the ingredients: the corn, the egg, the red and green sweet pepper, the green peas, and the onion, the diced onion and the diced scallion. Oh, it's one small onion. I had one small onion. I diced one small onion, quarter of our green pepper and quarter of the red pepper. So now we are going to add this to bond it together. This is what we're going to use to bond. So I'm using 2 spoonfuls of mayonnaise. So we're going to dig in now and we're going to stir. We are going to stir. Guys, look how colorful it is. Wow. This can put on your table as a side dish, whether you have guests coming over or even at Christmas time. Wow, look at it. It's coming together. How pretty it is. So I am going to taste for salt. And I'm going to now add some onion powder. I'm adding some onion powder. I'm going to add a little black pepper. I'm adding some black pepper, just a dash. I'm adding a little cayenne pepper to give it that little kick. Not too much. You guys, I'm mixing. I'm combining everything together. The corn, all the ingredients that I pour in this dish, I'm combining them together. Look how pretty it is. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. I'm going to taste now. Always taste your dish, guys. Guys, I'm going to add a little salt. I always like to add a little sugar. So guys, here's the sugar. Add a little sugar. Guys, if you don't want to add sugar to yours, you don't have to add it. So I'm going to mix everything in now. And then I'm going to taste again. So I'm adding more parsley flakes. I'm going to mix this in. So I'm mixing it all together. I taste the cayenne. Taste the cayenne in the cayenne pepper. It stood out. Now again, I'm going to dig in for another taste. We don't want it too sweet when we had the sugar, is that just to bring up the flavor. We don't want it too sweet. Yes, guys, this is a perfect breadfruit salad. Look at it again, guys. Oh, pretty. How beautiful it is. So pretty and very colorful. So guys, this is the bowl that I'm going to present it into. And when we're doing salad, we want to make sure it have a base. And this is the base. The lettuce is the base. And I've washed these lettuce in vinegar. And I put them to drain on paper towel and pat dry them with paper towel. You can't put them in the dish wet. You have to ensure that it is dry. They are dry rather. And then you line them out in your salad bowl. Very nice way to present your salad to your guests or your family. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my salad on my base, which is a lettuce leaf. What a beautiful salad. Wow. Not only so beautiful, guys, but tastes good. And not because I'm a cookie, I tell you the truth, say it tastes good. So guys, this is my breadfruit salad. This is the way how I do it in my kitchen. Guys, you can give this recipe a try. Yeah, you can garnish this with some eggs. Can boil, have one of the boiled egg left back, and you can slice it and you can use it for garnish. So guys, I present this salad to you for your Christmas table or anytime, especially when you're having guests coming over. Do enjoy. Tastes very good. Nothing is in there is overpowering anything. Tastes good. So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along with me. Guys, remember to share the video, like the video, leave a comment, press that notification bell. That every time I upload another video, you will be the first one to be notified. God bless you. Stay safe, stay blessed, and God bless you. Thanks for watching.